Hi guys. So I just got home from some of the few schools I'm offering my free introductory language courses. And I had met with some of my former teachers, ganyan, and they talk na, la, maasenso ka na, ganyan. But of course, I said na I'm still starting, so hindi pa po ako ganun ka-successful as what you are thinking. And then I had this one realization, no? Kasi they told me na we cannot offer you anything monetary, but we know this will bless many students na makakasama sa program mo. And then I thought of one thing na having a lot, or let's say having more than what you have compared sa ibang tao doesn't make you any better. Pero with you as a person having more resources than the others have, it's actually an opportunity for you to bless others. So, please, when you are in a point when if you would compare yourself to others, and yes, you have more than what the others have, always think, how can I use these resources that I have to help others, and to bless them. So, yun lang. Sorry po, medyo shaky ang aking phone holder. Thank you.